fundamentally, philosophically built around this concept of transparency. And so what they did is, instead of being one-to-one backed, they loaned themselves, they borrowed money from Tether to one of their—
buy more Tether, I get.
Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful day today. So I wanted to make this video to help you focus on the price, right? Focus on the price. I know that a lot of exchanges out there are halting XRP trading. Remember I said halting, I didn't say delisting. Delisting is totally different. They're just halting the trading for XRP. And it takes, less than a day to put everything back to what it was before. So always remember that. But what they're trying to do now, from what I could see, from my point of view, they're trying to make people focus on buying Bitcoin and completely forget about XRP. We know that Coinbase today is going to stop trading for XRP. And there's another exchange, I forgot the name of it. I think at the end of January, they're going to stop trading as well. But don't forget that you could still go to Uphold, you could go to Kraken. Sorry, not Kraken. You could go to GitHub and you could still buy XRP over there. So there are still some places where you could get your XRP. They are not going to stop trading XRP until the SEC actually gives a clear statement about whether or not it's a security. But if you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, just want you to think of the following, right? This is the Bitcoin price right now here for the year, right? This is a year chart. Look at how it went like this. And now look at this, very interesting. This is January 2020, January 2021. So this is a whole year. This is the printing of Tether mints. They printed 2 billion in 1 week. But look at this, focus on this over here. See that? Now look at this. Tether market cap versus Bitcoin. See, they stop printing, Bitcoin goes down. Then they start printing again, Bitcoin goes up. So there's obviously a correlation here, there's a connection here, right? So just be careful with that. What I'm trying to say basically is that, there's a Tether lawsuit going on, and it seems to be very obvious that there's some manipulation going on with the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, any of these coins, even XRP. People are buying it with USDT, with Tether. So just be very, very careful. And this lawsuit is not going to last so long. It's already been almost a whole year. So it's going to come to an end. And when they finally decide to say, hey, you know what? Tether cannot be doing what it's doing. We're going to shut it down. The market is going to drop at least 70%, in my opinion. Kim Jong-un said if the SEC next target is Tether, it's going to be very, very bad for this bull run, as this market heavily relying on USDT, which is Tether. So, this is the CEO, Kim Jong-un of Crypto Quant. So I think he knows what he's talking about. He knows where the money's coming from. Check this picture out. I thought it was hilarious. Have all the money printing coming out. But yeah, this article is very important here. The bit short inside crypto's doomsday machine. And I liked it because it shows you in a graph, it shows you visually how much Tether is going into Bitcoin, Ethereum, even Cardano. Look at that. This is how much Tether is going into Bitcoin. Then from Bitcoin, people buy Ethereum, buy XRP, whatever. But if you compare that, that's at least 70%. That has to be at least 70% of the Bitcoin purchases are being done with Tether, right? Check this other ones out down here. Ethereum. That's like 80% being bought with Tether. Look at that Litecoin. That's almost 80% too. Cardano's like 90%. This is insane. Bitcoin Cash, the same. So yeah, just keep that in mind. It's gonna be a very short video, but yeah, definitely once Tether gets a final, once the SEC decides what to do with Tether, it's probably gonna shut it down, and this market is gonna crash 70% at the very least, in my opinion. Check this quote. It seems I'll be wrong to dismiss Tether. Tether wasn't just in the crypto market. Tether was the crypto markets. It's insane, guys. This is insane. Man, this is crazy. And you can see here from other exchanges too, Binance money flow in the last 24 hours. You got Tether, most of it going to Bitcoin, some to XRP. That's what I'm saying. XRP is going to drop, especially now. I mean, maybe you could say, hey, people can trade XRP in most of the exchanges, so maybe it won't affect the price, and that could be a possibility, but there's going to be some depreciation in my opinion. This is for Binance, by the way. Look how much is going into Bitcoin, how much Tether is going into that. Let me show you another one here. This is hit BTC. All of that Tether going into Bitcoin. This is crazy. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to hold my XRP. I don't want to buy any other crypto right now, to be honest. I do have some XLM. Bought some B-Chain like a week ago. But other than that, the other coins that I have, I bought them in 2017, and I'm not going to increase my position on that. This is crazy. In my opinion, this is just my opinion. I'm not an investor advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion. If you're going to buy anything, buy XRP. At least XRP is already in a lawsuit, right? And they look like they're about to win it. I mean, they have all the cards in their hands. But buying anything else is just too risky right now, in my opinion. Yep. And look at this last statement here before I end this video. This article I recommend to read, is really good, from CoinGeek.com, titled "Crypto Crime Cartel: The End is Nigh for Tether." And they mention here how Tether changed their front page explanation about the coin. First, it used to be every Tether is always backed 1-to-1 by traditional currency held in our reserve, so $1 Tether is always equivalent to $1. But then they mentioned when you go to their site, this was, by the way, what they had until February 26, 2019. So that's what they used to have. But as the layers of the onions started to be unveiled, you could say, and the truth started to come out, they changed the statement, and you could see the statement now. The new one is, every Tether is always 100% backed by our reserves, which includes traditional currency and cash equivalents, and from time to time may include other assets and receivable from loans made by Tether to third parties, which may include affiliated entities collectively reserved. Every Tether is also 1-to-1 pegged to the dollar. So we want $US Tether is always valued by Tether at $1. So I mean, if they gotta give this ginormous explanation, you already know something's up. And there was already evidence that pointed that, you know, it's not backed 1-to-1. Actually, each USD Tether is backed at a rate of 74%. From what we know so far. I'm having a feeling it's way less than that. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. You know, just stay focused. I think it's super dangerous to invest in the market right now with this Tether lawsuit. Not with the XRP lawsuit. XRP lawsuit is fine by me. I don't have any issues with that. But the Tether lawsuit, oh man, that is a big one. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.